take some cherries, pit them, put them on the flat top, cook them down a little bit until you get a nice sort of cherry jam. Make sure you do this on kind of low heat because otherwise they'll burn. And then foie gras on the plancha with some bread that you also toast on the flat top in a little bit of that foie gras fat. And then you pile everything on together, nice little crack of salt on top, and you are in for a hell of a treat.
This is not an episode anymore.
We're not filming anything?
No. We're not gonna. No, come on. We're having foie gras
With like
homemade crushed fresh cherries.
Okay, so you're not filming anything?
No,
It's not worth putting on the show?
No.
We just explained it?
Don't worry about it. You used a fork and a knife. That's amazing.
So I want to try it with the different wines. Which I don't know what that is. So.
Oh my god. Okay.
I'm going to try it with the Vermentino first. Because there's not a lot left in that.
So short of you saying the Vermentino is amazing, I'm probably not even going to bother.
Yeah, don't bother.
That's what I thought.
Use, I don't know, if you want to keep a tiny bit there, that's whatever you're going to do with it.
That's what I thought. For this stuff, it does that. That's not going to work. Even the Greek wine is
Probably not going to work, but
No, it's
want to give it a shot. I dare say the Chablis is probably not even going to work with this either.
probably not. The fat from the foie, the sweetness from the cherries.
You know what? It's not horrible. Just have a little,
Oh, what? What is that?
just that's the Greek one.
Why?
Just with the foie, it's not horrible.
I had it. That's what I had.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were going to say.
No, it's not horrible, but it's not.
No, it's not. It's not a taste explosion, but,
No.
someone serves you some foie gras and it's not horrible.
No, it's not. It's not horrible. The Chablis is not horrible either. It works. Vermentino? No.
Yeah.
No, the Vermentino gets lost. So out of the regular white wines, the Chablis is better. That's something I'd recommend someone? Hell no. I'm curious to try that white port though.
Do you want to rinse?
Yes. I don't even think it's worth rinsing. I mean, this stuff is not going to be so... like we're not comparing a Pommard and a Gevrey here. Whoa. It's not the same thing at all.
No.
We're in a different world.
But.
Never disappoints, eh, that duck liver? Oh, way better. Miles.
Have a bite and a sip at the same time while you're got on the side. Tell me what crazy... No, I'll try again just to make sure I wasn't imagining things. It almost tastes like a raw oyster. There's a little
Oh my goodness.
minerality,
Oh my goodness.
the saltiness, there's
But you're like doing this with the sweetness, with the fat. You're just, huh. Yeah, that's not what popped in my
No.
mind, but that's fascinating that's what hit you.
maybe it's just a bit too oaky for the foie. I find it.
A little bit, but I think also you're comparing to the peak experience. Because compared to the whites, it works. Like I'll take this white port over the white ones.
Yeah.
But, Babe Ruth is about to show up.
Root lets go the fatal throw, and the Babe sucks it into the bleachers for his first homer of the series.
See?
So it's definitely lighter on the nose, but I'm going to have a bite first.
What? This is a lot spicier than anything I've had before. I think after the port doesn't seem as sweet.
Oh, I see what you mean by the spice.
Yeah.
Oh, but fuck, that's good. With the foie? Oh my god.
Yeah. That was a reason.
My God.
Eat.
We should do this every Wednesday.
Fuck, that's good. There's a reason why the French and their food know what they're doing. Not with the Italians like you.
Yeah. Same with the Spaniards. Same with the fucking Mexicans. I love Mexicans.